Good morning, respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. Today is a brand new day, full of possibilities and opportunities. So let's embrace it with positivity and enthusiasm. I, Swati, feel honored to be host for this beautiful morning assembly. So let's begin our day with gratitude and joy. Before we do anything, let's start by connecting with the divine. Let's bring peace to our minds and gratitude to our hearts with our morning prayer. A single thought can change the way we look at life. So let's listen to today's thought and take it as our guiding light. Today's thought is your positive action combined with positive thinking results in success. This means that if we think positively and act wisely, success will surely follow. So let's keep our thoughts bright and actions right. To be aware is to be prepared. Here's the latest news update to keep us all informed. Now, let's reaffirm our dedication to our country and values by taking the pledge. Now, we invite our respected teacher to share a few words of wisdom with us. Now, let's stand tall and proud as we sing our national anthem with full respect. With this, we come to the end of today's assembly. But remember, a positive start leads to a positive day. So spread smiles, be kind, and give your best in everything you do. Have a fantastic day ahead. Thank you.